Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, how are you all? So today is the O alphabet's turn. I'm making the alphabet O and with mandala details. So here I made a roughly O alphabet and I give the outline too, but it was not perfect. I know, I don't know, but I tried. But the central circle did not perfect, right? I was trying to make a oval in the center, but it was not perfect, because you can make a perfect circle with the help of compass, but you can't make a perfect oval without any help. So that's why I was not able to make a perfect oval. So just ignore it, because little bit mistakes can can be ignored. So guys, firstly I made a grid with the help of center, and I prepared a whole grid, but I am not using the degree grid. I just made some borders on both the sides with the same center, and then later on I started making patterns, and I am choosing the pink and purple shade, dark pink and purple shade, because they complement each other very much, and both are the beautiful vibrant colors and bright colors which we can use, and the combination of both the colors is so amazing and is so beautiful. I hope you are liking it, and I'm trying to make patterns in one line or in a single line. I have not recorded the video uh, for making the whole alphabet O. So because the circle is same on both the sides, the designs will be same on both the sides. So I just cover one side detailing, and the other side detailing will be the same. So this is our O alphabet, and I have already uploaded from the alphabet P, Mandala Art from the alphabet C, and all are on my channel. You can guys check it out, and if you want to learn a new alphabet, then let me know in comments which was your favorite alphabet and which alphabet you liked the most. Let me know also in the comments, so that I'll get encouraged and motivated with your compliments and comments. Are you liking this beautiful color combination? I'm just liking it. So after completing this, I am moving forward the fourth pattern, and this is the basic triangle pattern. Total, this alphabet is too small, like 1 2 3 4 5, total 6 patterns will be there, and it's too small, and it can be made in just 1 hour or 1.5 hour if you are beginner. But if you have experience, so you can make it in the 45 to 1 hour. So after completing this triangle pattern, this will look like this, and this is the first pattern of our O alphabet which I made fully, because all the patterns previous were divided in two parts. So next pattern will be the pink, and I am using the colors alternatively. First is purple, second is pink, then purple, then pink. So this pattern is also very easy, that U-shape pattern. Just make it all over the circle and fill the negative space. Guys, I'm enjoying this beautiful alphabet series, and please let me know also, are you enjoying it, and what new type of artwork, what new things you want to learn, just let me know also. I'll try that I'll make the tutorial videos for you, so that you can check it out also, you can learn with me. I just made a single line and circle over there to complete the details in this pattern. Let's complete it, and then we'll move to the next pattern. So this is the last pattern, and after this I'll make the sides of the pages and corners of the pages. I'm making this pattern with the 5 to 6 straight lines and then 3 circles, and I'm filling the negative space all over the or behind the circles as well. Just complete it out fully, and look, this is looking too good. This is looking so amazing. If you have noticed in my previous videos, I am following the boho effect in all my alphabet series. So this is the also made with this only. After the M alphabet, I'll stop the boho effect, because yeah, I know most of the alphabets I made with this. So we will try something new patterns. So I'll just make 2 more alphabets with this boho background. This is N or M. After this I'll make another one. So boho design is very easy and you can make it freehand. Just fill your corners with colorful pens and make the design with black pen. Boho, give a boho effect, and you can make leaves and lotus and something like that. Make some dots. It's totally freehand designs, so you can even check it out on the Pinterest and Google for references. Like I'm making these leaves, you can leave it blank, you can color it, or you can make some lines in it. You can give some detailing to this. So it's going to complete now. So guys, this whole alphabet is going to complete, and please let me know in the comments, did you like it or not, and give me your suggestions and advice too, so that in the next video, in the next artworks, I will cover my mistakes and I'll rectify them. So I hope you have enjoyed the whole process of making O alphabet, and guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified soon for new artworks. Here is the final look of my artwork. Check it out. Thank you so much for joining everyone. Take care everyone. Bye bye.